Tron TRX against BTC. So for Tron against BTC, here we are. Hey, we're about to take out the stop sells over here. We have been warning about Tron falling lower for a long time. We have been warning about it. Let me just show you. Let me see if I can get it. Somewhere hiding TRX. Ski Moon Hunter. Ta-da! We had this target since December 16, and we were saying that these two classes of stop sells will very likely be taken out. Ta-da! We were here on the December 16th of December 16th, what am I talking about? And we've already taken out the first stop sell. So the second stop sell will be about to be taken out. So more likely than not, more downside to come. How much lower? There's a noisy area over here, so there is significant support over here. So my guess is we will be heading back towards sub 100 satoshis. We are at 154 satoshis, so it's another 54 satoshis to go. Hopefully we hit 100 satoshis and then we start reversing back up. We start curving back up. This will be the best case scenario, and then this will be the completion of a potential symmetrical triangle right at the bottom of the falling channel. Symmetrical triangle, reverse back up. Wow, this will be the best case scenario, and by the time we reverse, it will probably be like potentially 2023, yeah, just in time for the next the next Bitcoin halving. Yes, sir. The next Bitcoin halving is only 2 years away. So usually before Bitcoin halvings, there will be deep corrections. So I think that there will be a deep correction coming on for Tron against BTC. Whether if we reverse back up, it's up to the wheels of Tron, right? The wheels of Tron may even pull Tron lower. So it depends. It all depends upon what the Tron wheels, want to take us. Where do you want to take us? Yeah, that's the question. Moving on to be Tron against USDT. So Tron against USDT. Yeah, it's not good. To be honest, this is just bad, right? Okay, you can see this both ways. This looks to me at the moment like a symmetrical triangle, and symmetrical triangles are bidirectional, which means that we could go up or we could go down. That's what symmetrical triangles are. But judging by the speed of the move towards the downside, I feel like the direction for Tron against USD is down, at this point of time. We've also already crossed the skinny pink line convincingly. Not saying we can't bounce back towards the skinny pink line, but if anything, if I had to pick a direction for Tron, I will be, if there's a bull bear slider, I'll be like 65% bear and then 35% bull. That's my sentiment for Tron at this point of time. I think Tron is potentially completing a descending triangle, right? And we could be heading much lower for Tron against USDT. Sadly, this is what it looks like for Tron against USDT. Can we see more data for Tron? Tron USD anymore? Yeah, so if you look at Tron's history, there was a super spike that came in for Tron. I was supposed to get into Tron's initial exchange offering on initial coin offering, yeah, but there were too many people, so I failed to get in. But anyway, yeah, so this is what Tron could be potentially doing. An A, very big A, very big B. We're coming down for a big C. Then we get a big D, and then big E, pump. We break higher in 2023, just in time for the next Bitcoin halving. So potentially more downside to be expected for Tron against USD as we complete wave C for Tron. Ta-da! So at this point of time, we should be switching our bias to bearish. There are already several signs pointing towards the downside, and especially the clearest sign to me will be the skinny pink line. We have already crossed the skinny pink line convincingly. I will be expecting some sort of a bounce back potentially towards the skinny pink line, but once we are done bouncing, I think we will complete a mountain range, and after that, more likely than not, we continue lower for Tron against USDT. So be very careful about going to a trade too soon for Tron.